Okay.
Hi, it's Steffi from Steffi's Beads and Baubles, and my granddaughters and I went to Hobby Lobby today, which is always dangerous. And they had a bunch of new sequins, so I bought one of each of the sets I liked, and I thought I'd show them to you along with some of our treasures. So this is something, if you're just starting out, is a great way to buy sequins because you get 3 different sizes in the same color. It's 5mm, 8mm, and 10mm. And I got a blue, turquoise blue, an orange, kind of reflective, a green, which is perfect for the holidays, a pink. This one's cool because it's kind of a blue-green. It's blue and green together. Let me see if I get it out of the light. Can you see that? See the blue and green reflective? I got a purple. And this is actually a bright purple. It's looking weird. I hope the camera picks it up different. And then this orange one has all different shapes. With autumn coming up, I thought that would be handy. I also got a black multi-pack. And then there's some specialty ones. These are some flowers they have, kind of a daisy. Oh, here's another of those 3-packs. This is a really neat. It's almost like the diamond seed beads, which is like a clear with iridescence in different colors. I think they call it black diamond in the seed bead. And then this one has clouds and rainbows and stuff like that. Alright, and then I bought these for my little granddaughter. And these are for her to play with. They're llamas and cactuses, so I'll give them to her sister to give her. And these are some rainbows and horses or unicorns. And then this is a sea ones, seashells and stuff. Alright. I used to have a tool like this, and I think I learned it to one of my daughters when she was working for a jewelry designer, and so I just picked up a new one, and I used my coupon. So I got it 40% off. And I bought some felt that was on 50% off, and they normally run 33 cents, so I got them for 50% off of that. So basically each 2 were 33, but I got a dusty or burnt orange, I guess, a very light blue, a red, a purple, a white, a brighter orange, and then kind of a peachy color. And then this is some of the fun stuff we grabbed. Now, I already have one of these, and I've shown it to you in a previous video, but it's 74 cents. I bought the last 3 that they had because I absolutely love them. And then I got 2 of these. Let me find the other one. I thought I had 2. Yeah, 2 of these cute little beaded birds for $1.49 each. I got the little owl for 99 cents. And then some of these will be good for not just steampunk, but other types of jewelry I like to do. And these were on clearance for $2.49, so you can see it's 75% off. These were 75% off as well. And all this stuff works great with the romantic type of steampunk. And this, I thought, this was only 50% because this group of stuff was 50%, but this chain is just beautiful. And I love the little stones, so I got that for 50% off. So it's $3. And then this is kind of ugly, but I like the 2 sections separately. This one's got some real pretty rhinestones. It's reds and greens. I'm going to do something Christmassy, and then I'll use this for something else. Then these would make a couple pairs of earrings. And then these are kind of steampunky, and they were on clearance. I bought 2 of them. I don't know what they're supposed to be, but they're kind of neat. And then I have they're supposed to be kind of like bracelet or necklace pendants, but you can use them for connectors. And these are already very steampunk, so I can use them with some more steampunk stuff. And then my granddaughter picked out some gorgeous bead combos that each one has more than one kind of bead in it. And she picked, these were all 50% off. Lately I've noticed the strung beads are almost always 50% off. So it gives her a nice collection of goodies. Oh, here's another sequin I forgot too. These are beautiful flowers and pastels. Oh, and a sea one. This is a brand new one they had. Seashells and starfish and sand dollars. I don't know if you, let me get it out of the light. Maybe you can see it better. But these are all the sequins are $1.99, so they're very reasonable. And then these are the charms my granddaughter picked out. She got the little, they're either octopus or squid, we're not sure which. She got a seahorse, a starfish, and 2 more starfish. Go over there. I'm filming. You cannot be over here when I'm recording, honey. Go. My granddaughter's 3. She didn't understand. And she picked this cute little crown. And then she thought this was really funny. It says, "Make like a proton. Be positive." And then I got some of the clear copper lined beads. And we want to do a project that we're going to actually record for you next week. And we needed crimp beads. So we got crimp beads in every color. I got the crimp beads in silver, copper, and brass. These are just the crimp beads. And then, and a gold. I got one in each color. And then I got the more bar-shaped ones in silver, gold. I got 2 silver and a brass, and then in the copper. And one of them I thought had a loop on top, didn't it? I thought one we bought had a loop on top. Maybe. Oh yeah, the silver one actually has a loop on top. I think that's the one we're going to use. And then I got, when they're 50% off, I like to get at least a couple things I might need. And I'm planning on doing a lot of steampunk, and that's mostly brass. And then this was something I thought looked really kind of fun for steampunk. They're little connectors. What are they called? They're called an eyelet. So you're supposed to use them to hook your lobster claw or whatever into, and I might use them for that too. But I thought those might be fun for jewelry. So anyway, that was just a quick little haul I wanted to show you. I think we spent, oh here it is. We spent $123.53. Does it say how much we saved? Sometimes they tell you how much you saved. Total savings, $52.39. But it was actually more than that because some of the stuff was 3/4 off. So, well, but here's what brought the price up. The sequins are never, ever, ever on sale. And I bought 1, 2, 3, 4 of these little ones, and they were $2. And then these were also $2, and I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I bought a lot of sequins, and those were all full price. Anyway, I thought you'd enjoy seeing that. And right now there's a lot of red tags, and when you're walking around Hobby Lobby, if you see that red tag means 75% off. $4.99, I paid $1.24, and these are the nice specialty pieces that they sell. And they have the Explorer, they have the Gilded Age, they have Poetic Spirit. There's another couple too. Here, this is Fairy Tales, I think it's called. I think this one's called Fairy Tales. And the only one that was on sale was the one I bought that does not have that sticker on it. That was 50%. This one. Poetic Spirit was on sale today. And so for 50% off, I went ahead and picked that up. I just thought that chain was so silky and pretty. And I like the little druzy stone up there. Kind of copper foiled. Anyway, so that's that. And then, of course, I always pick up a felt square or 2 when they're on clearance or on sale at 50% off. I probably don't need any more felt for as long as I live, but can't help myself. I thought these were fun. There's a lot of shapes that might be fun during the holidays, especially for some stacked pumpkins sequin videos. So I will be back soon, but my granddaughter and I do have a little video up our sleeves that we're probably going to record next week or maybe this weekend for you. And I think you'll really enjoy it. I might let her do it and film her doing it. So it'll probably be my granddaughter Emily. She's 20, so she's an adult, so I can have her on video and not worry about everything that just happened with the children laws. She's a grown-up, so she can make a video with me, so that's really cool. So we'll be back, and I still have not heard from Sue yet who the winner is. So that's still coming. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.